I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Morning all, Danny at Dynodaze. Shalom. Shalom, Jackie. Right, so we've got a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart in for a remap. Weekend's here again. Plenty in the tank, plenty of 95 rod in the tank. So we've got this Ralliart in for a remap, and it has failed its health checks, and some of them do. So the reason it's failed its health checks is A, it's on 95 rod fuel. That's no good. We need better fuel than that. 99 rod, V-Power, Tesco Momentum, all helps. But also it's failed its health check on its exhaust, and I'm going to show you why. So we're going to have to fit an exhaust to this car, but we will explain why now. I'm going to take some photographs, show you a bit of a video, and we shall go from there. Hang on. So here is the video I'm making of this exhaust. Now this young man has paid a lot of money. I say a lot of money. He says it was 300 quid from an exhaust specialist, and he's actually ended up with, I believe, mild steel. Jason, is that correct? A mild steel exhaust that is smaller diameter to the standard Ralliart exhaust, which is no good. So, as you can see, it is tiny. We've measured it. I've took some photographs.
1 3/4 inch.
It's 1 3/4 inch, which is not good. Yeah, and it is no good. So, thankfully, we're going to fit a Gizfab downpipe, which is 2.5 inch. And then we're going to use a custom flange and make that to a Scorpion system. There it is, looking at that. Well done, Eden. Always some nice work. He does make good kit, don't he? Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. So yeah, so this one has failed its health checks on that. He's gone home on the train, bless him. So we're going to get that sorted this week and then get mapping. But there she is. Really nice car other than that, and it's got some nice mods. I'll take some photographs of the engine bay now. You can see some very sexual Dynodaze hoses in orange. Nice. Ha! Good morning. Scorpion. So day 2 on this Colt, and you can see that Richard has kindly modified this Gizfab downpipe to fit a Scorpion 2 1/4 inch system, which is nice. Well done, Richard. That looks beautiful. Oh, it's like Christmas.
I try hard.
You do try hard, don't you? You are a tryhard, as my kids would say. Oh, so there's the old.
Get a little badge today.
You can have a little badge
Can I?
if you want. You can have. I don't know what you want on your badge.
I just thought I'd try hard.
Jason could get a visitor's badge because he's never here on time.
Yeah. He was late this morning.
Was he?
Yeah.
Did he blame the?
He wanted to keep it consistent.
Blame the traffic. Well, I could blame the traffic. So here's your lovely, what's that, 1 3/4 inch system. So that's what's being replaced for some lovely Scorpion 2 1/4 inch goodness, which is nice. Okay, Jason looks enthusiastic. Yeah, so we'll get that on, get some decent fuel in it, and then we shall map. Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay, so here we go, it's on. So like I said, we've got the Gizfab downpipe made by Eden, very, very nice. We've modified it using the original pre-cap bracket at the back. So we've mated it up to the 2 1/4 inch Scorpion system, which now runs the length of the car. Very nice. Very, very nice. Here we go. There we go. So we've got a Scorpion system. Oh, H&R springs, very lovely. There you go, guys. You happy with that? Should we get some of this crappy 95 rod fuel out of it now?
That's certainly the next step.
And then we can get map-a-lapping. Well, health check's passed, so strapping it to the dyno. It's time to get map-a-lapping. Let's see what she makes in standard form. Smile.
Monday.
It is Monday, I know. First run.
turning off, mate.
Oh, mate. See what she makes before the map. Base map. Step 1. Ecutek license installed. So there we go, finished results. Big gains, I like those. So as you can see for the stock run, 179 brake, not bad really for that far, but it had some good Dynodaze hoses on it, etc. And we'd fitted the Scorpion exhaust by that point. So we finish on 213 brake horsepower, 235 foot-pound of torque. Well done, Fraser G.